Hi, I'm Emily, and I'm going to show you how to add your Microsoft 365 email account to your iPhone. The first step is to install the Outlook app and open it. If this is the first time that you're opening the app, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. If you've used Outlook before, you'll see other accounts that have been connected, with an option to add an account. This is our first time using the app, so we will tap Add Account. Enter your email address, and then tap Add Account. On the Sign In page, enter your Microsoft 365 email password and select Sign In. If this is your first time signing in on this device, you may be asked to verify yourself. Select the method you want to use, and then tap Send Code. Enter the code, and then tap Verify Code. If you have multi-factor authentication set up, verify using your Authentication app. If you want to add another account, tap Add. We're going to choose Maybe Later. Choose if you want to enable notifications, and then if you want them sent to you on your phone. And that's it. That's how you add your Microsoft 365 email account to your iPhone. I'm Emily. Thanks for watching.